Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick update on where things are these days. So I haven't put out a video in a while, but I have a whole bunch of things planned and a whole bunch of things coming up. I've basically been going through and labeling USB drives and getting them ready for some installations. I've actually just recorded a video installing ESXi on this guy right here, on this Mac Mini, and I have it running on both of these right now. This guy's shut down at the moment, but we're going to be working with vSphere ESXi. We're also going to be installing NetBSD on some old laptops. I did a video just recently installing Kali Linux on an old ThinkPad. We're going to be playing with that a little bit. Definitely we're going to be using Proxmox. We have a couple new Mac Minis coming in the mail that I picked up off eBay. So these two Mac Minis are going to be my ESXi servers, and I'm going to have two more Mac Minis as Proxmox servers. So I'm gonna do a video on how to install that and set it up. Then I'm going to do some more videos showing you how to do things with VMware and Proxmox. A lot of VM related stuff coming up. We're not just focusing on VMs. We have all the other normal stuff, electronics, 3D printing, and all that stuff. I still want to, have enough focus on that and on coding and stuff. But we do have a lot of OS installations and VM related content coming up really soon. Also, a new system I found is Harvester. I haven't looked into it a lot yet, but I've just downloaded that, and we're getting the USB drive for that ready too. I'm not sure what I'm going to install it on yet, but it basically, my understanding is it's basically Kubernetes. It runs on bare metal, and it helps you manage Kubernetes. Has like managed clustered storage and all kinds of excellent stuff like that. Uses a technology called Longhorn, which apparently replaces Ceph. I don't know a ton about it yet, but we're going to explore and find out. So we have I basically spent a little bit of time this morning going over downloading and installing and labeling USB drives, because I just had so many of these. I always had to plug them in and figure out which one was which, and I have more than what's here. But it may seem like a waste of time, but this is probably going to save me more time than it took me. But just getting all my USB drives labeled. But yeah, we have a lot of neat technology to go over, and this is kind of just wanted to talk a little bit about what's coming down the pipe or whatever, and what we're going to be the kinds of videos you can expect to be coming up within the next few days, or up to a week or two. We're going to have a few videos coming out during this time, and there's just going to be more after that. I really need to kind of ramp up my video production and get some more content out there. I know people are probably missing my content, or probably forgot that I exist. So yeah, just stay tuned. We have more stuff coming up.